Now, before we get on with the video, we'd like to thank today's sponsor, Rapify. Special thanks to today's video sponsor, Rapify. Rapify is a platform that pays drivers for what they already do, drive. Rapify transforms your car into a source of extra income by matching you with a campaign, wrapping your car, and earning while you drive. Rapify is live nationwide with campaigns across several cities in the US. To get started, download Rapify app today using the link in the description below. All right, let's get to the video.
Yeah, let's touch upon that Vegas driver. Do you have the picture for that one? The one that got beat up, the poor old lady. Yeah, this one is kind of blurred. We can't really show the video because it's kind of gruesome. Go for it.
No, if you want to start.
No, you go for it.
Well, where do you want me to go?
No, let's talk about safety, a little bit of safety of drivers, the risks of doing rideshare, and what we think should change. To be honest with you, so
we'll start with rideshare, and then Pedro, if you want to transition the food delivery aspect of safety, because there's two definite differences between rideshare and food delivery, as you mentioned too. What I was saying, you have people in the car now. It's definitely a lot different when it comes to safety, especially at night. I drive at night. I prefer the night mostly because talking about traffic and stuff like that on last week's episode when we were going through an article and kind of poking a little fun at some of the things. But yeah, I don't like traffic, so I prefer at night. I like just getting behind the wheel. People are a lot more fun too at night because they're going out to party versus going to a meeting at a job they might hate. So I like that aspect much better, but it comes with a lot more risk. And that is, you get those drunk people, you get the people who are slurring their speech. If you say something wrong, it sets them off, whatever it might be. And we've all seen many of videos. I've put plenty of videos on my channel talking about, the different dash cam. We've all talked about it. But yeah, rideshare, there's a huge thing, especially what you see right now on the screen. This is from Las Vegas, right?
Yep.
I think it was. It was the one in Las Vegas. And every week you're hearing, multiple stories around the country of something happening with rideshare drivers, some sort of issue, a unruly passenger, something that happens. And this is no difference, no different. Something was said that was wrong or not wrong, set somebody off, and this is what happens. So the whole thing is, when it comes down to safety, you really got to be smart at what you're doing. You really got to pay attention to what's going on around you, especially as people are getting in your car. You need to read people. You need to understand what people are doing. You need to kind of look at them, and that's the whole thing where pay attention to your surroundings, because the other thing too, carjackings and stuff when they order rides. This is more in like Chicago and areas like that. So it's be aware of your surroundings, what's happening. The people that are coming in your car, don't have your doors unlocked. Like, keep them locked, and try to always be not setting other people off. So you got to try to keep always de-escalating situations. Don't be so hard on the ball right away to put up some sort of barrier to another person, especially if they're drunk, if they're there's multiple people around. The biggest reason is because if you do something like that and it turns bad, you're screwed. You're gonna have a real problem. And pretty much every ride that I've taken so far, besides a few during the day, we're all at night. I've had a few weird encounters, a few close calls. Two of them, out of all the rides that I've taken, only two were serious health and safety considerations when it came to it. One was I was picking somebody up, and this was in the east side of Buffalo. It's not the best part of town, and it was like 1-2 in the morning or something. It was a kid going to work. He was going to the casino, and all he was doing going to work. The thing was, it was in a drug-related area, and so somebody started following me and then got out of the car and came up, and that could have been a real issue there. because they were searching for somebody who knows what. So that was one of the worst parts. And then another part was there were two guys that came out from a bar. They were going to another bar. And then it was two other people that were coming in the car that I thought, because they said we got a couple more people. But I had a feeling that it was probably going to be more than what was allowed. And so somebody was in the car. They already were in. They came out, two at a time, and then waited in the car. And when I said, no, I can't take the ride because it's 5 people, we were going through where there were cops sitting too, down the street. So it was this street, Elmwood, which is a bar district. It's got bars, in different spots on that street. So we're going from one bar down the street to the other bar. And I said, look, I can't take you. There's 5 people. You're going to have to get an XL, or I can take a couple of people, but I can't take everybody. And the one guy got in my face, and, things, luckily the friends were good about it and got him out right away. But yeah, it can be a serious issue that can turn on a dime if you're not paying attention, if you're not trying to de-escalate the situation. Like I said, you can watch the video on my channel. It's there. I just said, look, I can't take you guys. You gotta figure something else out.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.